Traditionally, some professions have been considered as a male-only prerogative. However, today women are competing with men in all walks of life.
Additional fuel is 784.
Captain Aisha Rabia and First Officer Sadia Aziz, Pakistan's first female commercial pilots, have established a new precedent when they flew the first all-female flight crew from Islamabad to Lahore. Every day they fly hundreds of people across Pakistan. After all, for them it's all in a day's work. Before Aisha Rabia became captain, she flew 747s as first officer all over the world.
17527.
In her pilot training, Sadia Aziz came first in her class.
45. On arrival at Allama Iqbal International Airport, Lahore, airline officials welcomed them with flowers. Well, I feel very honored and very proud of the fact that I've become the first female airline captain of Pakistan. It's indeed a matter of great honor and privilege for me.
It was my dream. I followed it, and it was a very nice experience.
In today's Pakistan, social changes are allowing women to compete alongside men on an equal footing. With more people flying, the airlines are increasing their workforce by training more women to become pilots. This is Raja Mansoor Nasir of Pakistan Television for CNN World Reports.